Okay, this is question number 42. In here, this is the equation, right? So do keep an eye on it and make sure you can see it clearly. It is y is equal to x squared minus 4x add 2. Okay, it's difficult to write here, but okay, you've got the quadratic, the expression. What I need to do first of all is, as the question says, complete the table. I also so I need to work out the value of x here, the value of x over here, and the value of x over here. Make sure you do all of them to get all the marks. You also need to remember for when you have the negative ones, so bear this in mind, a minus times a minus is a plus. If the signs were different, if it was a minus times a plus, it's going to be minus, so do take your time with that. Now let's work out these values. When x is equal to 4, right, so if x is equal to 4, I'm going to put 4 in here, 4 squared, take away 4 times 4, add 2. Let's look at this. 4 squared, so when x is 4, 4 squared is 16. Take away 4 times 4, which is 16. Add 2. 16 take away 16 is 0. Add 2. That's how I got that 2 value there. And then I pop that into the table. Okay, that should be really, really straightforward. Do practice that and make sure you're okay with it. If I work out what it is when x is equal to 2, there. 2 squared, take away 4 times 2, add 2. That's what I've done here. 2 squared, take away 4 times 2, add 2. 2 squared is 4. Take away 4 times 2 is 8. Add 2. 4 take away 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 add 2 is minus 2. Take your time with it, right? Do pop these values in as you're working them out and write out your working. Now this is maybe the most challenging one altogether when x is minus 1. Look at this, right? Using brackets does help, right? It's pretty much essential to use brackets, especially if this was a calculator paper and you were putting these into your calculator. You need to put brackets around the minus number, or else the calculator gives you the wrong answer. Okay, but in this case, we could work this out. Minus 1 times minus 1. As I said, a minus times a minus is a plus. Minus 1 squared is 1. Minus 4 times minus 1. A minus times a minus is a plus. 4 times 1 is 4. And then I'm going to add 2 to it, and that's how I got 1 add 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Okay, and that goes in the answer space. Table is the most challenging bit here. Do make sure you get it. Then go along to plot the points. So, in terms of plotting the points, let's look at what the graph is going to look like. When x is 5, y is 7, so I go along to 5, go up to 7. Be careful with this, and then plot your points. Okay, so we'll plot our point there. When you're drawing this curve, make sure you do draw it freehand. So I did say it's going to be there. Then if I go along to 4, when x is 4, y is 2, so 4, 2. Then if I go to 3, it's minus 1. Be careful with these. 2, it's minus 2. 1, it goes down to minus 1. 0, it goes up to 2. And then finally, minus 1, it goes up to 7. Check the points over. They should look nice and symmetrical. If one looks out or a bit wonky, you know you've done something incorrect. Go back and check it. Check your workings. Check that you've plotted the points properly first, and then go back and check your workings. And remember to draw a curve, make it freehand, use a pencil, please. Right? If you make a mistake, you can rub it off. And then take your time and draw a smooth curve. It should be nice and symmetrical. Should look something like this, a U shape. Sometimes it might be an N shape, but a U shape typically. Take your time with this. These are easy marks, pretty straightforward. Make sure you get them all.